Haymes Paint Show Me is about getting amazing results on your DIY painting projects. Hi, I'm here to show you how to recoat your deck. This project is suitable for all decking timbers, previously coated with Dexpress. Tackling any paint job can be done with our 3 Ps: planning, preparation and painting. Step 1. Planning. First, choose your colour from the Haymes Paint Dexpress colour range. For this deck, we have chosen Haymes Dexpress Natural, as it's the colour we've previously used. This will allow for ease of recoating. Here's what you'll need: safety gear, preparation gear, painting gear, and most importantly, the stars of the show. Step 2. Preparation. Remove any outdoor furniture and obstructions on your deck. As you can see, this deck has had a fair bit of wear since we initially coated it. This is the perfect time to recoat your deck before it goes dull and patchy. Where the timber is exposed to the sun, it's important to maintain the coating to ensure the longevity and protection of the timber. Using your garden hose, mix 3 parts water to 1 part wood cleaner in a plastic container and stir. Apply Haymes Paint wood cleaner solution onto the deck and scrub thoroughly with a decking scrubbing brush. Allow the solution to sit on the deck for 10 to 15 minutes to work its magic. Be careful not to let the solution dry on the timber. Wash the solution off with a pressure washer and allow the surface to dry for at least 24 hours prior to coating. Step 3. Painting. Make sure your deck is completely dry and clean. Stir Dexpress thoroughly with a suitable paint mixer. Now for the fun part. Start by cutting in around the edges. Make sure to seal the ends of all the decking boards. Apply Dexpress generously to 2 to 3 boards at a time, coating the entire length in the direction of the grain. Ensure you do not apply Dexpress to hot surfaces or in direct sunlight. Maintain a wet edge to avoid overlap marks and make sure you are applying at the recommended coverage rate for the best result. Your project is now complete. You should be able to walk on the surface with bare feet after 2 hours, but be careful as the coating can take up to 4 weeks to fully harden. Further information is available on the Haymes Show Me instruction sheets in store or online.